They won't teach you this in school. No one ever pulled you aside and said, when things start falling apart, it's often because something better is falling in place. You just live through it. You feel forgotten, unseen, broke, broken. And not just broken in your finances, but cracked open, literally, split in two. I can admit to feeling worn thin, spiritually exhausted from trying to do it right for everyone else. But if you're listening to this right now, I need you to know you are not too late for the money. You are not too broken for the money. You're not too empty to be refilled. You are in alignment. If you're feeling these 7 divine signs, then life is preparing to send you more than you even knew how to ask for. Lately, if you've been feeling that your old spaces are feeling more suffocating than inviting, this is a divine sign that that friend group, those conversations, it's time to let them go. That whole apartment just don't hit the same anymore. And now you're craving more air, more space, more softness. And that's not being ungrateful. That's your spirit expanding now. That's your energetic frequency stretching to fit the life that you're about to walk into. If you feel like you just don't belong anymore where you once were thriving, that's because you don't. And you're not meant to shrink back. You're being prepared to host a mass abundance. If you are finding yourself crying out of nowhere, I mean, you're doing the dishes and suddenly here come the waterworks. And you're not sad, you're not happy, you just release. This is divine. This is a sign. This is a divine detox. Tears are evidence that trauma is leaving the body. You're shedding that old energy, stepping up to a new frequency, to a new level. You're being softened, prepared, and crying is not weakness, it's water breaking, it's new life flowing through. And if you used to jump in and save the day and solve it all, you probably now are feeling really tired of fixing everything for everybody. This is a divine sign. Now you're silent. Now you sit in the back seat and a little bit ashamed that you don't have the energy to even be the strong one anymore. This is not a failure. This is a transition. You're being moved from the position of savior to receiver. Mm. And you don't need to prove your worth anymore, girl. The blessings coming next only require you to rest so that you can receive. Don't let people think what they want. You are protecting your power. And now you're suddenly remembering childhood dreams and childhood fantasies. This is a divine sign. If you keep thinking about that little girl that you once were, and that little girl is still in you, oh, how she wanted to be a singer or a writer and travel the world. Oh, how she wanted to be someone important. That's not nostalgia. This is A soul contract resurfacing for you to grab a hold to. Reinvent the dreams that you buried just so you could survive. They are rising back up for you to restore you. So speak to them. Let them be your roadmap to restoration. And now you're feeling like money. It's just not the big prize anymore here. You see, now this is a divine sign as well. You're used to chasing the check, but now you are chasing the clarity, the presence, the space, the peace, the loving relationships. The shift in the value is what you're chasing now. And this is a sign of wealth consciousness because wealthy women don't just count money, they count what can never be replaced. And that's a wealthy soul on a wealthy level. And when that happens, money is coming in anyway. And now you're being complimented more and more. Everywhere you go, it seems like strangers are smiling at you and people are saying, oh, your energy, it's just different lately. This is a divine sign that something big is happening for you. Compliments you don't even feel like you deserve. And they're not really even about your appearance, but more about your essence. That's the divine. That's God echoing back what you already started to believe about yourself. The shift is here, and you're not manifesting money now. You're magnetizing it. Because now you stop settling. You find yourself not needing to explain so much anymore. This is a divine sign. Your breakthrough has happened, and you find yourself, you're not forcing conversations. You walk away faster. You say no with certainty to anything that makes you less than your best. And you don't have time to audition for people anymore. You've outgrown the crumbs. You remembered your worth. You accepted your worth and your wealth. And ain't that called self-love? Ain't that called self-honor? Because that opened doors faster than any ambition ever could. It is the Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. Luke 12:32. You see, the kingdom is not some faraway place. My dear, it is at hand. It's this moment. It's this very moment. It's every time. It's every time you trust what you feel over what you fear. And it's every no that protects your peace. And it's every quiet morning where you whisper to yourself, I am ready. My day is funded. My day is favored and full of options. Mm. And you feel better, and you do better, and you get better. You become the blessing. You become the blessing. And just let the world catch up because you are here. And here is now. And now you can receive.